Good morning everyone. Ito na naman tayo sa garden natin. Merong konting maintenance tsaka pagbabago sa garden sa Simpleng Hardin. Yun, may ginagawa dun sa banderon. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So sa ngayon nagka-cuttings itong si Simpleng Hardin ng Mayana.
Dahil sobrang regging siya.
Daming kailangang gawin. At kitang-kita nyo sa pagkahaba na ng mga Mayana kung gaano katagal na napabayaan yung mga Mayana. Ayan.
Ulan kasi na ulan.
Ulan ng ulan. Oh. Kaya hindi rin masyado nakapag-vlog. Yan, pinuputo yung mga lagi Mayana. So yung nadidinig yung parang may sinisibak. Ito yon. Yan, yung kita yung nilagyan namin dati ng paso tsaka mga hanging plants na sanga ng mangga ay pinuputol na. Ay, may tumutubo pang money plant doon sa ibaba. Tatanggal na rin yan. So English version naman. So guys, this is the mango tree stem or stem ba tawag doon? That called a stem. It's a big branch. It's a big mango branch that we stuck into the ground for our hanging plants and some potted plants. So we will now be cutting this branch because of termite infestation. So we have termites around the house, and we decided not to encourage them by feeding them this branch. And we also have another branch here that's infested by termites. So there's a lot of work to be done here because we don't have an axe. We just have that itak Filipino bolo. So that's going to take some time. And over here we have our coleus plants being repotted. So this is supposed to be, or was supposed to be, a kind of Mayana dish garden, although this isn't a dish, it's a big pot, a big plastic pot. So
yan
you're going to,
pag hindi siya
yes, if you leave those plants alone, they'll become leggy and mature.
Ng Mayana.
And that's the maintenance part of Mayana plants, coleus plants. You have to keep on cutting them and propagate, because if you don't, they'll become leggy and die. And they'll bear flowers, but once the plants bear flowers, that means they're dying. Not nearly dead, but they're going to die. So yeah, I think this is an orchid. Ito, I think this is an orchid.
Nakasabit yun dun eh.
Yeah, it used to hang there. So,
Yeah,
so what's your plan for that space? Yeah, that space.
Pag putol na, baka maisip ko.
No plans yet.
Ano ba itong mga bits ko? Pinatong mo lang to?
Oo, nakapatong lang. Pag-isain ko lang yan dyan. Pwede matanggal.
So as you can see over here, we have lots of gravel or sand. We're going to be doing some work over there. And so that's still a work in progress. The Simpleng Hardin little greenhouse. And we have a few cuttings over here. Money plant, itong golden pothos cuttings. And look at this calathea plant. It's very lush and healthy. We have a bag of rubbish here. And guys, do you see this plant? You will see me wiring this plant to turn it into a bonsai. So this is the plant that I will turn into a bonsai, hopefully successfully. We don't know what kind of plant this is, So if you know what kind of plant this is, let us know in the comment section. So this is our plant rack now on this side of the wall. And we still have a few plants here that will find a new place in our garden. And this will be replanted somewhere. Still don't know where. As well as these. Oh, oh. Hindi pa nakakarating yung anay sa loob.
Narating na rin.
Ayun. Ano pala?
Gitna, no?
Ano nga, no? Yeah, that's termite damage. You can see the termites. Guys, if you know how to get rid of termites, let us know in the comment section. Because it's destroying our house. The colony is destroying our house.
Gumamit tayo sa ligid.
Okay, so tinanim mo na ito sa labas. Na leggy, hindi mo ikakat. Dapat cut mo siguro.
Baka titingnan ko lang muna kung kasi ganito to eh. Yan oh. Hindi ko naman ginalaw pero naman siya. Pero nabubunot pala siya.
Yung nga eh. I think you should cut it para so it will become more lush.
Kasi na nung umulan, di na ako pumupunta rito.
So this is our pocket garden here outside the house. We've already separated some of the plants from the mother plants, and now this is where they will end up.
Saan ko na-ayusin to? Kasi, antayin pa ako ayusin sa loob.
Yeah, ito yung pocket garden namin yun. This is our pocket garden. It's a mess. Admittedly, it's a mess. And look at our dwarf palm tree. It's now buried. It's a bottle palm, but you can't see the body because it's now underground. You don't see the bottle figure of that bottle palm tree.
Lumaki na yung binigay niyo. Ano?
And yeah, that's tawag dyan, taro.
Sabi niya hindi lumalaki pero lumalaki pa rin.
It's a giant elephant ear.
Sabi niya. Hardin.
And this is a spider plant.
Ang dami ng ligaw na damo.
Ano yung basura dun?
Nga eh.
Hindi
Paano
ba
yan, paano yan?
nakapunta ng basura dun?
Mm.
This is being eaten by grasshoppers.
Dito. Wala itong peanut na plant. Talagang lakas ng lumago.
Oo, ang bilis niya. Alam mo yung tinanggal mong isang parang damo, yun yung merong mga pulang ano eh, berries na maliliit. Yan. Oo, kinuha natin yun sa gardens na pinapunta natin.
Hindi naman, naputol yan.
Ito yun, nagiging ano ito eh, yung red berries. Ayun produce ng red berries yan. These will turn into red berries. Yung sukal na, sukal. So ito yung mga ibang tungkod ni San Pedro. Don't know what this is called in English, but they produce bright yellow or red flowers. They're easy to plant. Very easy to
Ang
plant.
dami na doon.
Just stick this into the ground and they will grow. Yan yung trowel, no? Okay, so we thought that trowel was lost.
Hindi,
But-
parang ginugood time ako.
Yeah, something's playing tricks on us. Maybe the dwarves are playing tricks on us. So, what's the story behind this taro plant?
Yan. Si Arlene kasi pumunta dito.
Arlene is the one with the garden outside the house.
Sister-in-law ko yun.
Yeah, beside the wall. We're going to be featuring that garden in future episode.
Abandon na. No? Abandon
Okay, so
na.
this plant. So one day, she was tending her garden, and then an old woman saw her, and she approached her in the garden.
Sabi niya,
And the old woman said,
parang sila, trade sila ng
so the old woman wanted to trade plants,
para kasi pero nagbebenta talaga yung
but the old woman was actually selling plants. She walks around the village selling plants that she grew in her own garden.
Senior na siya.
Yeah, senior. She's the senior. Carrying her plants, walking around the village. So you can imagine how difficult that is.
Layo pa niya. Area 14 pa siya.
Okay, so what happened? She wanted to trade some plants.
Tapos sumunod si Arlene. Sabi niya, tinatanong ako kasi may dala siyang malaki. Mas malaki. Yeah.
She had a bigger plant,
Sabi ko,
a bigger
hindi ako
taro.
masyadong lumalaki dahil nahihirapan ako kasi wala akong pwesto.
So Simpling Hardin couldn't accept the big plants because of the limited space in our garden. So she asked for a smaller one.
Tapos sabi ko, kung meron siyang maliit, baka sakali. Sige, bibili ako.
Okay, so if she did have a smaller one, we'd buy it. So she went home, right?
Hindi, maya-maya. Bumabalik si Arlene. May dala na siya.
Yeah, so suddenly, there was this smaller
ko,
version.
Umuwi siya para kumuha.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, hindi, may bit-bit pala siya.
Okay,
Nung time na yun.
so she was already carrying this plant, this smaller plant.
Sabi
So
ko, kung magkano.
so we asked how much that is.
So sabi ni Arlene, meron daw siya nagustuhan sa garden ko. Nasilip niya yata.
Actually, the old woman saw a plant that she liked in our
Hindi ko siya
garden.
mapapasok kasi syempre, alam mo niya na pandemic.
Yeah, she
Tapos,
just took a peek inside.
Tapos meron kaming dog. So, yun. Siya
Yeah.
sa labas lang. Siya naman.
Yeah, she was-
Naintindihan naman
yeah.
yun ni nanay.
So she was just outside taking a look at our garden, and she saw the Syngonium albo. This one, like this one.
Ayan. Cuttings lang.
Okay, so the old woman got a cutting of our Syngonium albo, and she gave us the little taro plant in exchange.
Sabi ko, ilalagay ko lang to sa maliit na paso para hindi siya lumaki.
So we still don't know where that old lady lives, but she's in an area. I don't think
Area
we
40.
frequent that area, but
Washington Street.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe we'll vlog it one day. One day. So she sells plants. She walks around the village carrying her plants for trade or sale. I think that's how they earn a living. So the old lady's son is the one who actually does the gardening, and she just sells the plants.
Namamatay daw ang plant sa kanya.
Yeah, she doesn't think she has a green thumb. Yeah.
Tingnan natin.
So, ayan, meron ka ng bagong dish garden, even though it's not in a dish. Ayan, lots of work. So, we'll see you again on the next episode. And do like and subscribe.
Messy look. Thank you for watching. Antayin nyo lang next video namin.
Oh guys, pasensya na dahil hindi kami masyadong maka-comment back, pero yeah, binabasa naman namin ng mga comments. We do read your comments. We appreciate your support of our channels. And yun nga lang, sometimes we find it difficult to comment back. But we do visit your channels. We watch your channels.